Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to register on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open a web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in Betway. Once you type it in, you'll get these kinds of results. From this, click on the first website, and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, click on this button where it says Sign Up. It will ask you to enter your account information, so go ahead and create your username. Once you create your username, create a password for your account. After that, once again, enter the same password in the second box to confirm your password. Then, at last, enter your email address. Once you have filled up this form, click on this Next button. Then, you'll have to enter your personal details. First of all, select your title, then enter your first name and your last name. After that, enter your date of birth and your country. Once you have done so, click on this Next button. Then, you'll have to enter your contact details. So, enter your address. Once you have done so, scroll a bit down. In this section, select your daily limit, weekly limit, and monthly limit. After that, you can select your preferred language. Click on this drop-down to choose your language. Then, click on this drop-down to select your currency. Now, again, scroll a bit down. In this welcome offer section, you can either select sports or no welcome offer. If you want offers, then click on the first option. And if you don't want any offers, click on the second option. Now, at last, you'll have to click on this checkbox. Then, click on this Register button. Once you have completed that process, your account will be registered. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.